Yeah, we only got 3 people.
Oh, yeah. Well, then let's just stay here. I'm freaking doing it. Hello?
Yo!
Hey, hold on.
Yes! There's this freaking weird kid following. Who? What are you doing? Who are you? Alright, what are you doing? What do you want to do?
I want to play football!
Oh! Go home!
No!
Yeah, well, go play with your little foot. Alright, whatever. Alright. You want to play? Alright, we'll play. Okay. Alright, me and you can't. Dan, you ready yet?
Yeah, hold on 1 minute.
Alright, me and you can't.
Alright,
yeah, we're captain.
Alright,
I'll get this quick.
Dan, done?
Yeah, you come.
Alright, Dan.
Yeah, I'll get this. Alright, I got Jake. Okay, you guys need to move.
No! What?
Are you
Gianluca, him?
Come on!
No! Wait, we are not getting him. First of all, you guys got Jake.
Yeah,
He
but
is a huge beast.
But
No way.
you got first pick. It's only fair.
Oh my god.
Let's
Wait,
play.
you play
We need
you
more
play
players
football?
anyway
You
because-
play football?
What do you play?
What? Defense. Defense.
Okay.
Lineman.
Are we playing?
Yeah. Get on the line. Oh my god. No.
What are you doing, kid?
Get on the line. Said he play defense.
Wow.
No.
Oh my God.
Get up. Go like this. Go like that. There you go. Good boy.
Touch it!
Tackle him. Oh my god.
Yo, he's in that mode!
What are you doing standing there?
Alright, cut.
No
Alright,
way
let's
you're
take it right to him. Right to him.
I got it. Oh no! I didn't give it to him. What are you doing? Oh, that's... You guys suck! What are you doing? Get on the line now, okay? You sit. What are you doing the whole time? You got to stop! I'll tap you. I'll kill you. Fight! Oh my god! Go!
Alright, I'm down. Alright, good job, buddy. Now, you need to go home, okay?